Santa Eularia is not just a municipality, it's a symbol of luxury and sophistication in Ibiza. Here, in this earthly paradise, life moves at a different pace, and every day is an opportunity to experience the best that life has to offer. But what makes Santa Eularia so special? First, its privileged location. Situated on an island world-renowned for its nightlife and idyllic beaches, Santa Eularia offers a perfect contrast with its calm and relaxed atmosphere. Hello and welcome to a new video from this channel, Ibiza Best Places to Stay in Summer, the channel that guides you through the secrets of Ibiza. If you've ever wondered where the most expensive part of Ibiza is, this video is for you. Stay with us until the end of this video tutorial where we will tell you which is the most expensive part of Ibiza. Welcome to the heart of Ibiza, in the Sant Josep area, where luxury and beauty meet at every corner. Today, we're going to dive into an exclusive tour of the luxury villas of Sant Josep, a place where opulence and tranquility are the order of the day. Sant Josep is known for housing some of the most impressive properties in Ibiza. As you walk through its streets, one cannot help but marvel at the majesty of its villas. Each property seems to compete in beauty and luxury, offering a unique experience for its inhabitants and visitors. We start our tour with a visit to Villa Luxe Sant Josep de Santa Eularia, a perfect example of the grandeur that characterizes this area. This villa not only impresses with its modern and elegant design, but also with its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and its spacious open areas, perfect for enjoying the warm Ibizan sun. Then we head to a representative villa for sale in San Jose. Here, the fusion of modern and traditional creates a unique atmosphere, where comfort and style come together to offer an unparalleled living experience. The property features an impressive pool and sea views that will leave you breathless. In Sant Josep, each villa has its own charm, from privileged locations with panoramic views to luxuriously decorated interiors and state-of-the-art amenities. It's no wonder these villas are coveted by those seeking exclusivity and privacy. We conclude our tour by admiring the classic architecture of a large country house situated on the hillside of the villa. This property, with its large balconies and luxurious balustrades, offers a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting the spirit of Ibiza. Sant Josep is not just a place to live, it's a destination to experience life to the fullest, a place where beauty, peace, and luxury meet at every corner. In the heart of the Mediterranean, Ibiza emerges as one of the most expensive and fascinating cities in Ibiza. Today we explore why this vibrant city is a magnet for those seeking a life of luxury and exclusivity. Ibiza, known to many as Ibiza City, is a mosaic of history, culture, and cosmopolitan life. From the cobblestone streets of Dalt Vila, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to modern neighborhoods like Marina Botafoc, the city offers a unique lifestyle. Here, ancient architecture blends with the modern, creating an environment where luxury and history coexist. What really makes Ibiza stand out are its real estate prices. The demand for luxury properties has catapulted the prices, making the city an enclave for the elite. In areas like the municipality of Ibiza, exclusive properties offer panoramic sea views, cutting-edge technology, and high-level architectural design, justifying their high cost. Life in Ibiza is not just about housing. The city offers a dynamic and varied living experience, with internationally renowned cuisine, a vibrant nightlife, and crystal-clear beaches. Ibiza attracts a global clientele seeking the best in entertainment and relaxation. The high prices reflect this exclusivity and the high standard of living that can be enjoyed here. In summary, Ibiza is much more than a city with high prices. It's a destination where luxury, history, and modernity meet, offering an unparalleled quality of life in Ibiza. This is the place where those who seek the exceptional find their home. The island's capital, Ibiza, is the epicenter of urban life and sophistication. Here, history meets modern luxury. The old town, Dalt Vila, is an architectural gem surrounded by high-end boutiques and gourmet restaurants. The properties here offer a blend of historical charm and contemporary amenities. Santa Eularia des Riu has earned the reputation of being the most expensive municipality in Spain. This area is sought after for its serenity and natural beauty. Properties here typically offer stunning sea views and a tranquil lifestyle, making it a favorite destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle. Known for its vibrant nightlife, San Antonio also hosts quiet residential areas with luxurious villas and spectacular sunset views. It's a perfect contrast between party and peace, attracting a diverse audience seeking the best of both worlds. St. Josep is home to some of the island's most exclusive villas. This region is renowned for its breathtaking natural landscapes and idyllic beaches. The properties here are true works of art, offering privacy and exclusivity in a paradisiacal setting. St. Joan is Ibiza's best-kept secret. Here you'll find a mix of authenticity and discreet luxury. It's the least developed and most preserved region, ideal for those seeking a refuge away from the crowd, amidst nature and local culture. In summary, each region of Ibiza offers its own version of luxury and exclusivity. From the cosmopolitan urban life in Ibiza to the serenity and natural beauty of Santa Eularia, Sant Antoni, St. Josep, and St. Joan, Ibiza has it all for those seeking a luxurious and varied lifestyle. But then where is the most expensive part of Ibiza? Welcome to a journey through Santa Eularia, the most expensive municipality in Spain. Today, we'll discover why this charming corner of Ibiza has become the epicenter of luxury and exclusivity. Imagine a place where the blue of the sky blends with the sea, creating a perfect backdrop for Spain's most impressive properties. Here in Santa Eularia, located on the vibrant island of Ibiza, this dream becomes a reality. This municipality, known for its serenity and beauty, has surpassed cities like San Sebastian in the ranking of the country's most expensive housing, with prices exceeding 4,400 euros per square meter. But what makes Santa Eularia so special? First, its privileged location. Situated on an island world-famous for its nightlife and idyllic beaches, Santa Eularia offers a perfect contrast with its calm and relaxed atmosphere. It's an oasis for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle without giving up glamour and sophistication. The properties here are more than just houses. They are true works of art. Each villa and luxury residence in Santa Eularia is designed with excellence in mind, with attention to detail, spacious areas, and panoramic views of the Mediterranean. These homes are not just places to live, but experiences in themselves, offering the ultimate in luxury and privacy. Moreover, the lifestyle in Santa Eularia is unparalleled. From gourmet restaurants to exclusive boutiques and yacht clubs, every aspect of life here is imbued with an air of exclusivity and class. It's a place where the elite gather, not only to enjoy the sun and sea, but to be part of a community that values discretion and refinement. Santa Eularia is not just a municipality, it's a symbol of luxury and sophistication in Ibiza. Here, in this earthly paradise, life moves at a different pace, and every day is an opportunity to experience the best that life has to offer. So whether you're looking for your next real estate investment or simply dreaming of your ideal getaway, Santa Eularia is a destination you simply cannot overlook. Are you ready to discover the charm of Santa Eularia, the most expensive municipality in Spain? Why do the rich prefer this island? Ibiza is a natural paradise where the blue of the sky blends with the sea, creating a canvas of pure beauty. Its beaches, with white sands and crystal-clear waters, offer a tranquil retreat away from the daily hustle. We explored the 5 regions of Ibiza, each with its own essence and appeal. From tranquil rural areas to urban and modern settings, each region offers a distinct experience, yet all share a common denominator: unparalleled luxury and exceptional quality of life. Delving into the Ibizan lifestyle, we understood why this island attracts the wealthiest. Its unique combination of natural beauty, exclusivity, and a relaxed cosmopolitan atmosphere makes Ibiza the perfect place for those seeking the best in life. Here, freedom and beauty intertwine, creating an environment where day turns into night, and every moment is lived to the fullest. Furthermore, we investigated the secrets behind the island's most coveted luxury properties. We discovered that each mansion in Ibiza has its own story, a blend of innovative design, history, and stunning locations, making them much more than mere dwellings. They are true habitable works of art. Regarding accommodation, wealthy tourists find their refuge in resorts and hotels that offer an unparalleled luxury experience. These establishments not only provide exceptional service and top-tier amenities, but are also located in the most spectacular places on the island, offering unforgettable views and a total sense of exclusivity. Finally, we addressed the trends in real estate investments in Ibiza. We saw how investors seek properties in privileged areas, betting on the Ibizan real estate market as a safe and profitable investment. The demand for high-end homes continues to grow, reflecting confidence in the market and Ibiza's eternal appeal. In conclusion, Ibiza is much more than a vacation destination. It's a lifestyle, a haven for those seeking the exceptional. This island not only offers beauty and fun, but also a secure investment in a thriving real estate market. In Ibiza, every corner, every villa, every experience speaks of luxury, exclusivity, and a lifestyle that can only be found in this Mediterranean corner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. This way, you'll always be up to date with our latest tips and guides. See you in the next video here at Ibiza Best Places to Stay in Summer.